Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thanks for having me here and make my day special and give me a chance to deliver the speech on topic of virtues of Quran. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who created a man, gave him the gift of speech and lead him for the Quran, which is a source of advice, healing, guidance, and Allah's mercy for those who accept the Quran. Contains nothing that is doubtful or corrupt, abundant, and perfect salutation be on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the person who is the best of all creation. What is so special about the Quran? Young one, listen to me carefully. On this planet than the Quran, not is diamond, not is gold, not is power, not is money, the one most valuable on than Quran. But where the Quran is best the Quran. It is the not world of another writer. It is the not world of president. It is the not world of prophet. It is the not world of king. It is the word of Allah. We have sent down to care from that now. Look around, you sit in a gathering in which there are people from 50 different